Today we are making my not-so-secret chili. We've got 1 pound of stew meat, we've got 1 pound of ground beef, we've got a whole thing of pico, we've got a jar of petite diced tomatoes, we have a can of red kidney beans, and we got a can of baked beans for some sweetness, a can of Mexicorn, some salt, pepper, chili, and paprika. We'll do about a teaspoon each of these, as well as 1 chili packet, seasoned packet, 1 whole onion, 1 jalapeno. First, we're going to brown the meat with a little bit of salt and pepper. Chop up your onion and your jalapeno. Then you're going to add everything into the Instapot. Give it a good mix. Hit that bean chili button and let it naturally release before opening when it's done. Taste test time. Oh, this one will not disappoint.